Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a 3D pumpkin. Okay, first I will create a 3D sphere. You can click a 3D shape and then click a sphere. Next you can set for radius into 50 and you can set horizontal segment into 128, vertical segment 94 and then arch 360 degree. Okay, you can click apply. Next we can scale this sphere object. You can click scale and next I will change for red scales or in x-axis into 75. Okay, we have got these models and you can move these models into a center point. Okay, next we can use copy offset to copy this object with pivot option. You can click this object and next you can click tools, click copy offset. Okay, in here for position I will change into pivot and I will change number of copy into 9. You can click copy. Okay, we're waiting for copy multiple object. Okay, you can scroll down in here and then check in a mesh 37. Next you can use merge option. You can click utilities and click merge object. Okay, this processing for merge. And then it will become into one object. Okay, I will use the scale command again, and next we can scale in green axis in here. Okay, you can move to the bottom here and then push. Next we can create rectangle object in this top of these models. You can click this shape and click cube object. Okay, I will apply. Next we can select this box object. You can move with alliance tools. You can click here alliance and then change a reference in here into mesh. Okay, next I will align into a top position and then you can close. Okay, next we can use a scale command to scale this box object. You can click at center point, okay, in here, and then you can move to here to make small this box object. Okay, we already create. I will use polygon option. You can click this box object and then click polygon. Okay, I will click at this face. Next we can use extrusion command to extrude this face to the top here. Okay, I will apply and then we extrude again this face to the top in here, and next you can apply. Okay, you can scale this polygon object. You can click scale. Okay, I will scale from a center point in here. You can scale to this point to make more small. Okay, and then you can select this 3D models. I will use bend option. Okay, you can bend these models. I will bend in right axis in here. Okay, you also can use another option, like you can use a twist. Okay, you can twist these models with this green axis. Okay, but first I will deselect this polygon option. Next we can twist in green axis. Okay, you can twist to 135 degree. Okay, it's okay. And next can try to use round object to make this object more smooth. You can click preview and you can click OK to apply. Okay, we're waiting for a round corner complete. Now we can use a scope option to make bump into this 3D models. Okay, you can click at this object. You can click for a scope command. Okay, we're waiting, and next we can use this option, standard brush. Okay, you can set for size 10 and intensity into 2. Okay, I will scope at this face. Okay, we can scope one by one in this face. Okay, to make smooth these models. Okay, now we can scope again in here. Okay, and next we can scope at this point. Okay, next we can apply. And then you can click this object. Okay, and we scope again in this models, you can click a scope command. Okay, preparing for a sculpting object, and you can use the standard brush. I will sculpt in here, okay, in this face. Okay, and you can rotate again. We sculpt again in here. Okay, this like we create bump into this 3D models. Okay, we create again in here. We sculpt one by one at this face. Okay, you can use standard sculpt. Okay, and next we scope in here. Okay, you also can scope in the top view in this face, and the last we can scope in the bottom here. Okay, now it will be correct bump in this 3D models. Okay, if you are already done, and you can click OK to apply. Finally, we can apply colors into this 3D models. You can click this object and then click in here. Okay, I will choose this color. And next for this object, I will use this color. Okay, now we already create this 3D models pumpkin with SelfCAD software. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video. And see you next time in another SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial.